Namaste, friends and readers. Yesterday, we recited the stotra of Bhadrakali sung by Parashurama. When Bhadrakali came to help King Suchandra. Today, we will recite the Kavacha of the same Bhadrakali. This is found in the 37th chapter of Ganapati Kanda of Brahmavaivarta Purana. Narada Uvacha Kavacham Shrotumichami Tam cha Vidyam Dashaksharim Natha Tvatto hi Sarvagnya Bhadrakalyascha Sampratam. Narada asks Narayana, O Lord Narayana, I want to listen to the Kavacha, which was worshipped by Suchandra, and also the Dashakshari Vidya, the 10-lettered Vidya of Bhadrakali, which was worshipped by Suchandra. O great Lord Natha, I want to listen it from you because Tvatto hi Sarvagnya, because you are Sarvagnya, hence I want to listen it from you. You are the all-knower. I want to listen the Kavacham and Dashakshari Vidya of Bhadrakali. Sampratam, now, he requests. Narayana responds. Narayana uvacha Shrunu Narada Vakshyami Mahavidyam Dashaksharim Gopaniyam cha Kavacham Trishu Lokeshu Durlabham. Narayana gives the Vidya to Narada. Here there is no mantrodhara or anything. The mantra is given directly in the Brahmavaivarta Purana, and since this is given as a part of the Kavacha, I am also reading it as it is. Om Hrim Shrim Klim Kalikayai Swaheti cha Dashaksharim Durvasa Hidadau Ragnye Pushkare Surya Parvani Dashalaksha Japenaiva Mantra Siddhih Krita Pura Panchalaksha Japenaiva Patan Kavachamuttamam Babhuva Siddha Kavacho Pyayodhyam Ajagamasaha Krishnam hi Prithvim Jignye Kavachasya Prabhavataha. Lord Narayana gives out the Vidya. Om Hrim Shrim Klim Kalikayai Swaha. He gives out the Vidya. This was given to Durvasa, and Durvasa gave it to the king Suchandra in Pushkara Kshetra in Surya Parva. The time was Surya Parva. During that time, it was given to him. And it takes Dasha Laksha Japa, 10 lakh Japa. 1 lakh is 100,000 and 10 lakhs is 10 times that. Thousands. But with the chanting of the Kavacha, you can attain the Siddhi of the mantra with 5 lakh repetitions. Panchalaksha Japenaiva Patan Kavacham Uttamam. And after mastering the Kavacha, after fully attaining the benefits of the Kavacha, Raja Suchandra went to Ayodhya. Then he conquered the entire earth by the prowess and efficacy and merit of this Kavacha. Narayana says that. Narada Uvacha Shruta Dashakshari Vidya Trishu Lokeshu Durlabha Adhuna Shrotumichami Kavacham Bruhi me Prabho. O Lord, I have listened to the 10-syllable Vidya of Bhadrakali, which is hard to attain in all the 3 worlds. Now, I want to listen to the Kavacha from you. I want to learn it. Please tell me, O Lord, says Narada. And Narayana responds. Narayana Uvacha Shrunu Vakshyami Viprendra Kavacham Paramadbhutam Narayanena Yaddattam कृपया शूलिने पुरा त्रिपुरस्य वधे घोरे शिवस्य विजयाय च तदेव शूलिना दत्तं पुरा दुर्वाससो मुने दुर्वाससा च यद्दत्तं सुचन्द्राय महात्मने अतिगुह्यतरं तत्त्वं सर्वमन्त्रौघविग्रहम्। ॐ ह्रीं श्रीं क्लीं कालिकायै स्वाहा मे पातु मस्तकं क्लीं कपालं सदा पातु ह्रीं ह्रीं ह्रीमिति लोचने। ॐ ह्रीं त्रिलोचने स्वाहा नासिकां मे सदावतु क्लीं कालिके रक्ष रक्ष स्वाहा दन्तान् सदावतु क्लीं भद्रकालिके स्वाहा पातु मे अधरयुग्मकम्। ॐ ह्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं कालिकायै स्वाहा कण्ठं सदावतु ॐ ह्रीं कालिकायै स्वाहा कर्णयुग्मं सदावतु ॐ क्रीं क्रीं क्लीं काल्यै स्वाहा स्कन्दं पातु मे सदा ॐ क्रीं भद्रकाल्यै स्वाहा मम वक्षः सदावतु ॐ क्लीं कालिकायै स्वाहा मम नाभिं सदावतु ॐ ह्रीं कालिकायै स्वाहा मम पृष्ठं सदावतु रक्तबीजविनाशिन्यै स्वाहा हस्तौ सदावतु ॐ ह्रीं क्लीं मुण्डमालिन्यै स्वाहा पादौ सदावतु ॐ ह्रीं चामुण्डायै स्वाहा सर्वाङ्गं मे सदावतु प्राच्यां पातु महाकाली च आग्नेय्यां रक्तदन्तिका दक्षिणे पातु चामुण्डा नैऋत्यां पातु कालिका श्यामा च वारुणे पातु वायव्यां पातु चण्डिका उत्तरे विकटास्या चाप्यैशान्यां साट्टहासिनी पातूर्ध्वं लोलजिह्वा सा मायाध्या पातु अधः सदा जले स्थले चान्तरिक्षे पातु विश्वप्रसूः सदा इति ते कथितं वत्स सर्वमन्त्रौघविग्रहं सर्वेषां कवचानां च सारभूतं परात्परं सप्तद्वीपेश्वरो राजा सुचन्द्रोऽस्य प्रभावतः कवचस्य प्रभावेन मान्धाता पृथ्वीपतिः प्रचेता लोमशश्चैव यतः सिद्धो बभूवः यतो हि योगिनां श्रेष्ठः सौभरिः पिप्पलायनः यदि स्यात् सिद्धकवचः सर्वसिद्धीश्वरो भवेत् महादानानि सर्वाणि तपांस्येवं व्रतानि च निश्चितं कवचस्यास्य कलां नार्हन्ति षोडशीम् इदं कवचमज्ञात्वा भजेत् कालीं जगत्प्रसूं शतलक्षं प्रजप्तोऽपि न मन्त्रसिद्धिदायकः इति श्रीब्रह्मवैवर्ते महापुराणे तृतीये गणपतिखण्डे नारदनारायणसंवादे भद्रकालीकवचनिरूपणं नाम 37ोऽध्यायः। In the Purvapitaka, Narayana tells the parampara of this kavacha. This kavacha was given by Lord Narayana. Here Narayana Rishi is saying Lord Narayana gave it to Shuli, that is Shiva, for Tripura Vadha. For the victory of Shiva, Narayana gave it to him. And that was given to Durvasa Mahamuni by Shiva. Durvasa gave it to Suchandra. This is how this kavacha was obtained by Suchandra. And the Palashruti of the kavacha says, this kavacham is made of a lot of mantras, sarva mantraugha vigraham, and this is the essence of all kinds of kavachas. Suchandra became the king of 7 great dvipas, continents in this context, only by this kavacha's efficacy and power. Mandhata also became a great king because of this kavacha. Great sages like Pracheta, Lomasha and others attained their siddhi using this kavacha. Saubhari and Pippalayana became greatest of the yogis through the worship of this kavacha. If someone becomes siddha kavacha, that is, if someone fully attains the benefit of the kavacha through upasana and sadhana, then they will become the lord of all great siddhis, the yoga siddhis, mantra siddhis, etc. Great danas, gifts given to noble ones, and different kinds of austerities, penance, and vows do not equate to the 1/16th of the virtue and merit gained by the recitation and practice of this kavacha. If one does not know this kavacha but worships Kali Jagat Prasu, that is this particular form of Kalika, then that mantra will not give fruit, that is, will not give complete fruit, the siddhi, the mastery, even if one chants for 100 lakh times. Thank you for listening.